What's up, Pop Pulse family? This is your girl Thembi Seete, and I'm in here at the Owner event, launching the Owner 400 Pro. I'm very excited about this, baby. Tell me why. Ask me why. Tell me why. Ask me why. The AI features, guys, are insane. I mean, having to have your picture and having a picture to move and do what you want and say what you want, it's crazy. And this phone is doing exactly that. This feature is going to blow our minds off. So get yourself Honor 400 Pro.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto my channel, guys. I hope that everyone is good, also good, but as you saw with the first video, Shooty. Okay, before we even get into it, check out this next video and then we'll talk. Okay, first things first, this was so embarrassing and cringy, even having to watch it. I do not want to lie to you. Social media is also divided. There are people who are saying, Gucci, there's nothing wrong that happened here, and then other people are like, no, it doesn't even seem like they were ignoring Thembi, who was an icon, but they were definitely ignoring her. Yazi, I also feel like they were mising her. About the fact ukuthi Uzige and Usisi Usisi is the one who's holding Ulentuzana by the waist, who's holding Uzi by the waist, and then Uzi has turned her back Thembi, meaning Thembi is behind them. Now the fact Yoguti, I do not know there's a difference when you see a small clip and when you see the whole thing, because lapo, that's when you get full context. But just based on this clip, I do not want to lie to you, it seemed like Ngati they were Usisi and Uzi were just foot, not really I don't know, I'm not sure with Usisi, but with Uzi it just seemed like she was just not interested in taking a picture with Thembi because she had her back to Thembi. Thembi was even like, if you can listen properly to that clip again, and you will hear Thembi actually siyenza. So it was like Ngati, the photographers wanted to take a picture of the three of them, but Lababanye or Lomunye was just not interested in even doing that. With Uzi having to lean on Thembi, it was just to go, yeah, and there are people who did speak about Indawuti, pride and all of that ish. You could even see the discomfort on Thembi's face. You could even see the discomfort. It kind of felt like ngathi sezama ukuyisqueeza ini ish. And in terms of looks, our outfits, I don't want to lie to you, the person who nailed it was Thembi. Usisi is just wearing a dress nje. Uzige ufake nje ingubo ehlaza engathi lo tshani lo artificial bese sekuba negathulu. Igathulu zakhe I don't care ukuthi idura kanjani or whatever, but athambela nje nale dress futhi ngathi ugqoka uphondo. At first I thought ugqoka uphondo. I don't want to lie to you. Akhambela nje kubi. Thembi was on point. I don't want to lie to you. She was on point and she was professional. The way that these two, or how Ulentuzana even acted, Uzi. I think I can say Uzi, because Uzi was the one who had her back to Thembi, not Ulentuzana, Usisi. Because if Sibatatu Vele, we are going to take a picture and you are the one who's in the middle. Where now who's in the middle? You must try and position yourself and in a way you go to, no one is going to be unable to turn your back to make it of which it will end up seeming the way that it does seem right now. Instead, ungazama ukuthi ugaxa nomunye or ubambe nomunye or something like that. Or it could also be with communication, but yes, yona so awkward angazi afethu. Yo, ngizomunye ethi Thembi was fighting for her life here. Yo, this was embarrassing, Shim. I don't want to lie to you. And for those who are like, no, there's nothing wrong here and all of that. Uzi, I feel like Uzi was the one who was giving Thembi cold shoulder. I feel like that. If Usisi was the one who was in the middle, maybe we could say, yeah. But Usisi yini wrong ayenzile? Yini wrong ayenzile? Abantu beshuthi isithombe vele mabebathatha lo phana nendawo nguye ozozama ukuzipositiona kahle and lo munye bese bamabonke. You get what I'm trying to say? Hey guys, I think ngiyekeni mina. Yo, ngingaqani ngiyeka. Ngicela ngitshela, what do you think about this? Tell me what you think about this, because everyone is divided. But for me, this was so cringe. It was so cringe. And yeah, it kind of made me feel, or reminds me of those friends lava abangakufuni, but you keep on trying to, insert yourself and all of that. Here, yes, it was just an event, Bebe Guyo Honor, where Honor, they were launching Honor 400 Pro and all of that. So they were all there to work and all of that. But uber professional bafethu, and also being humble, it's very important, regardless of what you are currently trending or you are dropping hits after hits now. But it's very important that you need to respect each and every one. That is very important. Understand? And if it is, because I did even see some people were talking about what Uzi has attitude and something like that. Others were even shocked to go, this is it's not even like her. I hope she's not following Scott's Mapuma in terms of rude and being disrespectful. I hope she's not, because there are people who tend to feel like, since they're currently hot manje, they feel like lo ubalo and all of that. There are people who are like that. I hope she is not doing that, and I hope she will come out with an explanation of what was going on. But body language speaks volumes. Yes, you can say something ngomlomo wako, but your body language definitely speaks volume. Uzi was just not interested in taking a picture with Thembi. You saw with how she was standing. I'm flattered. That's my opinion, allegedly. So tell me what you think about this in the column section, in the description column below, and sure.